Here's the news of the day. Robinson Helicopter Company mourns the passing of Pete Riedl, a visionary engineer who shaped the R-44 and R-66, leaving a lasting impact on aviation safety, design and accessibility. Dufour Aerospace and Volatus Aerospace partner to expand Aero 2 drone deployment, enhancing aerial logistics, mapping and surveillance with hybrid electric VTOL technology in remote and underserved regions. Rotosky has introduced an EASA-qualified flight training device at Linz International Airport, enhancing NVIS training with real and simulated night vision goggles for fixed-wing and helicopter pilots. eVTOL will supply its D250 electric propulsion motor for Flying Whale's LCA-60T airship, a 200-metre cargo airship designed to transport 60-tonne loads with sustainable aviation technology. Vertical Aerospace's VX-4 prototype completed piloted thrust-borne tests and now prepares for wing-borne flight, a key milestone toward full certification and commercial viability. South Korea's Airbility secured 2.5 billion South Korean wons in funding to advance its unmanned eVTOL AB-0 for surveillance, with plans to commercialize the AB-2 for passenger travel by 2028. NASA is developing drone and airspace management technology to enable 24/7 wildfire response, improving aerial coordination, safety and efficiency in low visibility conditions. Helitarc unveils aerial strike buckets, enhancing aerial firefighting with greater water capacity, precision drops, and rapid deployment for improved wildfire suppression. ExecuJet's Malaysian MRO services gained CAAC approval to maintain China-registered Falcon aircraft, expanding its business aviation support in Southeast Asia amid growing China ASEAN economic ties. Gulfstream Aerospace appointed Tim Waterman as Senior Vice President and CFO, bringing 27 years of General Dynamics experience to the leadership team, effective February 1st. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.